Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back. My name is Rohit. In today's video, we are going to talk about the difference between a carburetor and a fuel injector. So let's begin. Since the inception of internal combustion engine, there was always a need to find out an effective way to introduce air mixed fuel to the combustion chamber in right amount. Initially, a simple fuel drip system was used, resulted in fuel wastage. That although did the job. The first carburetor was invented by Samuel Moe in the year 1826, although the first person to patent the modern carburetor was Carl Benz, founder of Mercedes-Benz. The float-based carburetor was developed by Wilhelm Maybach and Gottlieb Daimler in 1885 until the introduction of the fuel injection system in the late 1990s. Carburetors were the most reliable fuel delivery system. The first fuel injection system was developed by Herbert Ackroyd Stewart by using a jerk pump, which pressurized the fuel at the end. His invention further commercialized by Bosch and Cummins in diesel engines. Jonas Hasselmann in 1925 introduced the first modern fuel injection-based petrol engine, namely the Hasselmann engine. How does carburetor work? A venturi tube that narrows in a section which decreases air pressure and creates a vacuum. It's called venturi effect, the most basic form. This vacuum pulls in fuel into the carburetor. Other type is fuel injection, where the ratio is adjusted using two valves, the choke and the throttle. An electronic fuel injection consists of an array of fuel injectors, oxygen sensors, and an electric fuel pump with a pressure regulator. With the help of computer, required amount of fuel is delivered to the cylinders precisely. Which is how fuel injected vehicles perform better and return better fuel mileage, whereas carburetor is unable to measure the correct air-fuel ratio and struggles with changing air pressure and fuel temperature. Maintenance. The only parameter where a carburetor is dominant over fuel injection. Carburetors are pretty simple to clean and rebuild, whereas fixing a fuel injection system required professional intervention and expensive replacement. So I hope you like this video. If yes, please give a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section how do you feel about it. If you don't like this video, you can also thumbs down. And thank you for watching. See you soon.